Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make a professional PowerPoint presentation for students. For that we will take this note 3 and I will show you how to create a powerful presentation in PPT. How to take the question and how it can be imported to our whiteboard. First I am going to this one, that is note 3. After that you see here that how we can take a question and make it a professional educational video. Now here you go to desktop view, right? In desktop view you can find that if you want to take a question, then go to my PC, and here you can see that there are in downloads you have questions or PDF. You see this is PDF of this one, this question. There is a PDF here, that is 101. You can find a PDF, and if you want to select a question from here, go there and you can select this question and you can bring this question to your whiteboard in this way. This is the easiest way to bring a question to your whiteboard and solve it according to your need, right? You see here this is our PDF, and you can see there are many questions in this PDF. It will take some time because it is a long PDF. You see here. Here I am not taking this PDF. Let us take another PDF. Suppose this PDF I am taking, right? This PDF, that is triangles, and I will take a question from there and I will show you how to solve that question, right? That is I am taking this question from triangles, right? PDF of triangles. You see here. Let us take this. Open this one. Open this PDF. You can see here these are the various types of questions here. Now we'll take one question. I'll show you how to take this question to my whiteboard and how to solve that question. I am going to show you, right? Suppose I am taking this question, that is question number 4. I am taking this question number 4, right? For that, go to start, and here you will find an option that is snip and sketch. You see here, that is snip and sketch. You can go there, snip and sketch. Here go to snip and sketch, and you have to snip this question, right? For that you go to snip and sketch. Here you can find that there is 3 options. One is snip, one is snip now, snip in 3 seconds, snip in 10 seconds. I will take this one, that snip in 3 seconds, right? And you have to snip this question number 4. Here you see that I am taking this question number 4 here and I'm snipping this question, and I will bring it to my whiteboard, right? This is the question. So take this question like this, in this way, with the figure also up to figure 7.32, right? And you see this question will be snipped, and you should, what you do, this is the question. You can see here, this is the question came in here, and what you will do, this is the question but it is not snipped properly. Go to, this is copy this one, and you have to paste in your whiteboard, right? Suppose I am taking Microsoft PowerPoint, then go to Microsoft PowerPoint here again, and here you can go there in Microsoft PowerPoint and copy there. Microsoft, this is Microsoft Whiteboard or Microsoft Office, and I'm going to Microsoft PowerPoint. You see here, this is the Microsoft PowerPoint, right? Going to Microsoft PowerPoint. This is Microsoft PowerPoint. After that, what we go this way, and you change this slide, take this one and delete this one, delete. Since we are making a slide for YouTube, then change its page setup, go to page setup, and here you can see that there is page setup of 16:9. This is the ratio for YouTube, right? You see, this is my slide, right? You can change your background also. Suppose you change the background, format background, then go to format background, and your shape may be this color, maybe you can take more colors and take this color and click OK or apply to all, right, or OK, and take this color, right, and apply to all. This is gradient, this is solid, right, and apply to all, right. I've seen that I've changed this into green color. After that, you paste your question here, right? Here you see, this is the question you should paste, right? Here you see, I am pasting this question here. Right, and you adjust the size of the question, but you can see that there is a watermark here. For that, what if you go to format, and for brightness you go to brightness, right, and you see this is normal position, go to plus 10%, go 20%, you see, in 20% the watermark will remove, right, or 30% or 40%, but 20%, in 20% you see that this one is removed, the watermark has been removed. Now how to solve the question, it depends on you how you can solve this question. For solving this question, what if we do, go to slideshow view. This is the slideshow view, and you see this question, and what you have to take this pen, right, and suppose I am taking white color and make it a small one, right. Now you can write anything according to your need. Here you see, I am writing this one. Suppose this is the solution with white color, solution, right. Now I am writing or solution, I am doing the solution. Hello everyone, this is for class 9, and the question is, ABC is a triangle in which altitudes BE and CF to sides AC and AB are equal, so that triangle AB is congruent to triangle ABF. ABE is congruent to triangle ACF, right. In this way you can solve this one, and AB equal to AC, that is ABC is an isosceles triangle, right, and you can solve this question, right. Here you can solve this question according to your need. In this way you can make a professional educational video. You see, the question is, ABC is a triangle in which altitudes B and CF, two sides AC and AB are equal, that is altitudes are equal, that is it is given that is B is equal to CF, B is equal to CF, it is given. B is equal to CF. These B and CF are equal, right. B and CF are equal, it is given, right. In this way you can write the various things, and you have to prove this one, that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. Proved. In this way you can solve this question according to your need, right. This is the way in which you can solve any question according to your need. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.